Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to EngLing Lesson 20 on how much, how many, and quantifiers. Here we go. All right, have a look at the two pictures of the bananas. The pictures are different. How are they different? Let's talk about it. Well, first of all, bananas are countable. And here's the question I want to answer. How many bananas are there? Let's look at the picture on the left. How many exactly? There are 100 bananas? I don't know. I don't want to count them. So we'll find a better way of explaining about how many there are. There are a lot of bananas. That just means many bananas. There are a lot of bananas. There are lots of bananas. That means just the same thing. Or there are many bananas. Now, look at the bananas. How many bananas? We could just say there are 3 bananas, but a different way. There aren't a lot of bananas. There aren't lots of bananas. There aren't many bananas. What can we say? There are a few bananas. We use a few for maybe 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, next let's have a look at our juice. Juice, remember, is uncountable. Our question for uncountable things, how much juice is there? Okay, on the left, have a good look. There is a lot of juice. There is lots of juice, same meaning. Be careful now, we don't say there is much juice. That's a mistake. Okay, and now, there is a little juice. We can say there isn't a lot of juice or there isn't much juice. We use much only in the negative. Okay, now we've talked about uncountable nouns, and what we have to do now is change them so we can count them. So how do we count something that is uncountable? The answer is quantifiers. So we're going to learn about those right now. Here is a glass of water. Water is uncountable, but I can count glasses of water. I have 1 glass of water. I have 3 glasses of water. Same thing with juice, a glass of juice or a glass of milk. Next, a bowl. A bowl of soup, a bowl of cereal, a bowl of noodles. I'd like 4 bowls of noodles, please, just like that. A can of cola, a can of soup, a can of vegetables. A bottle of soda, a bottle of ketchup, a bottle of wine. Notice once again that most of our nouns here that I'm giving as examples are uncountable, and yet we're learning how to count them using these quantifiers. Next, a jar of jam, a jar of honey, a jar of peanut butter. Next, a carton of milk, a carton of eggs, or a carton of ice cream. Delicious. Next, a slice of bread, a slice of cake, a slice of pizza. Next, a box of cookies, a box of crackers, a box of candy. A bar, we can say a bar of chocolate, a bar of soap, a bar of candy. A bag of sugar, a bag of flour, a bag of chips. Let me just remind you one more time that most of these are uncountable. A loaf of bread is special. And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Great job, everyone. Let me give you a piece of advice. English is a piece of cake. That just means it's an expression, and it means English is easy. Sometimes it is. Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you next time, and thank you. Bye-bye.